The student, I am Veena Dikshit. We are discussing here H ion concentration, hydrogen, and this ionic product of water, and how H positive related with acid dissociation constant. So when acid dissociation constant is given and molar concentration is given of an acid, we have to calculate pH by the formula H ion concentration. Molar H ion concentration is equal to square of product of Ka and C. Ka is acid dissociation constant and C is molar concentration. So we can represent it like this or like this. This is square root of product of Ka and molar concentration. What is Ka? Acid dissociation constant. Ka acid dissociation constant. Clear? And C is molar concentration. C here I am writing. C is molar concentration. Now we know these two values, that molar concentration we are knowing that it is 0.1, acid dissociation constant 1.8 into 10 to power minus 5. Plug this value to this equation, that molar concentration is equal to square root of 1.8 into 10 to power negative 5 into 0.1. So it will be coming to be 1.8 into 10 raised to power negative 6. So answer will be 1.34. So H ion concentration we got. Now pH will be log minus log of H ion concentration. Put this value over here. Okay, so we'll get this. And pH will be 3 negative log of 1 minus 1.34. Okay, minus log of 1.34 into 10 raised to power minus 3. How do we write it? So we have to write down this 3 over here, which is 10 to power minus 3 multiplied by 3 here. It will be equal to 3 minus log of 1.34. Put the value here and 2.873. We see the log of this. Put the value and subtract. Answer is this. Find the pH of a solution whose OH ion concentration is 10 to power minus 7. Now here we go for the ionic product. That product of molar concentration of hydrogen ion and OH ion is equal to 10 to power minus 14. This is represent ionic product of water, and that is called Kw. So it is fixed at 25 degrees here. Okay, generally it is taking as fixed. So when H positive ion will be equal to 10 to raised to power negative 14 divided by OH negative concentration. It is given 10 to power minus 7, so H ion concentration will be 10 to raised to power negative 7, pH will be 7. Here pH of decimolar solution, decimolar means 1 by 10, OH negative 10 to power minus 1, put this value, 10 to power minus 13 will be H ion concentration, pH will be 13. Okay, you can do it very well. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. Okay, here 10 to power minus 1 over